Parker was in the shower when the bulldozer barged into his house.
It basically felt like an earthquake. I mean, the whole house was just shaking for a good 20-25 seconds.
When the shaking stopped,
Got my towel on, ran, looked out the front door, and all I see is a dozer, big bulldozer, tearing up my yard and went through the house. Flagged the guy to stop, jumped in front, basically about to yank him out. If I wasn't here, I probably would say half of the house would have been gone.
the bulldozer was supposed to be doing work at this site at the corner of the cul-de-sac. Police tell me they have no idea why the driver left this lot, but you can see the marks his equipment made in the road.